Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Today I'm going to go over how to install these Teflon seals on Ford high pressure power steering lines. Now to start out with, I'm going to show you how to use this tool here. This is a special tool that I got from a part store a long time ago. This tool actually comes in a kit, and to save my life I can't tell you how to buy this tool separately from that kit, but I will post that kit down in the description below. You don't necessarily have to have this tool to do this, however, but for this video I'm going to show how to install this seal using this special tool here. And after we're done installing that seal with this tool here, we'll go over some other methods that you might be able to use to improvise to get by without this tool if you can't afford to buy the whole kit. But to start out with, you take the special tool and you take the hollow end and you place it over the end of the power steering line where the threads are, like so. Then you take your Teflon seal and you work it down the top of the tool all the way down to where it starts to spread the seal out just a bit. You work it down and work it down until you finally get the seal to the part where it's supposed to sit on the line, and you just let the seal sit there for a little bit. The seal will contract and suck in just a bit in order to make a tight fit around that line where it's supposed to be seated there. Be sure you have it in the right spot. You can get it in the wrong spot and it won't work well, so be sure that it's in this same area right here that you see me putting it in. And that's that. It's pretty simple. It's a great thing to have this tool here. Like I said, I don't know how to buy the tool separate from the kit. I did do a little research on it, but couldn't find anything for you. I do apologize. Maybe somebody can find this on the internet somewhere, and perhaps you can post a link to it down in the comments down below there. I would appreciate that, and I would thank you for your help on this. So if you don't have this special tool, you can still do the job. You just got to improvise a little bit. Now, an idea that I had for you is to take something like a punch, and you may want to get a punch a little bit bigger than this one, but it basically works the same way as a tool does. You can slide it down and spread that seal out just a little bit until you spread it out far enough to fit over the threads of the high pressure line. Keep in mind though, when you spread it out, you have a limited time to get it off of the punch and onto the line before it contracts. This seal will contract back down pretty quickly. I had it all the way down there earlier, and you watch this. It won't go all the way down. So just that quickly it contracted. So very limited amount of time that you have to work with this thing. Some people have used hot water to aid in this process. One word of caution I would give to you is don't spread it too far and don't get it too terribly hot, because it may not contract, and you need it to contract to sit in the proper spot on that line so that you get proper sealing on it. And also, you don't want to roll this seal and bend it or crease it. You want to keep it in the same kind of shape that it's in. This is actually a square seal. It's not round, so if you fold it over and crease it and damage it, it won't work. Now, where do you get these seals from? Of course, you can get them from your part store. I got this one from the help section at a local part store here. This is a Dorman product. Dorman is not a sponsor of this video or Barber's Auto Help. I bought this with my own money. Just trying to help you guys out, give you some way to get through there. So your local part store should have this in their help section. However, there are many places online that you can buy these seals from. Amazon's one of them. There's many places online that you could buy from, and none of these places are a sponsor of Barber's Auto Help. I'm just giving you information to help you locate the parts that you need to get the job done. So folks, that's it for this video. Sincerely hope that this helped you. If you have any questions, comment down below. And as always, please read the entire description down below this video before you attempt this or apply any of this knowledge. I may need to clarify some things. That's where I do that. And please read the disclaimer at the very end of that, and like and subscribe. Thanks guys. Have a good one.